Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your shipping address on Etsy. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your shipping address. Maybe you move locations or you'll be shipping your products from elsewhere. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Etsy, then click on your account on the upper right hand corner. Next, click on Account Settings. Then on this page here, you're going to see a tab that says Addresses. Click on Addresses. So we have some butter information here, but you should see a button called Add a New Address. Click on that, and then simply fill out this information with your new address. Then go ahead and click on Save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your shipping address on Etsy. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.